Hey guys, Chris from Provo Beast Audio Installation, and today we're at the Metra booth at CES 2020 here in Las Vegas. We're checking out some of the new dash kits that they have here available that were released this year. Some for older vehicles that now have a solution for single and double din units. Let's check them out. Recently they just introduced the new Jeep Wrangler JL Gladiator kit that allows you to integrate a double din touchscreen of your choosing in the factory location. Now it's designed for most shallow mount radios, as there's not a ton of space behind the factory radio in the Gladiator. This kit includes a double din dash bezel and brackets to mount the radio. It also includes the brackets specifically needed for a floating kit or modular radio as well. It's painted to match the factory matte finish. If you have a Gladiator and want to install an aftermarket radio, go ahead and check one of these out. This is the Metra Turbo Kit 107-CH3B. Head over to Metra's website, they'll have more information there. Thanks for watching.